Good morning, class. This is Mr. Peralt, and in today's lesson, we're going to be talking about describing matter. Up to this point, you've had a chance to have lessons on what is and what is not matter. We've discussed the different states of matter, like solids, liquids, and gases, physical and chemical properties, and also physical and chemical change. But now we're getting to the point where we'd like to start to describe matter. And you can describe matter using, well, one of two types of descriptions. We have what are called qualitative descriptions. Qualitative descriptions are more observational, using your senses. It looks like, it feels like, and they are oftentimes subjective. For example, if I were to say that that box is heavy, and then you pick up that box and you think, nah, Mr. Pearl, I don't really think that box is all that heavy. Well, the word heavy means something different to me than it would possibly to you. Other things that are more qualitative could be, it could possibly be temperature. If I said that it's cold outside, well, again, that word cold means something to me and it might mean something different than you. Another thing that I feel is very qualitative oftentimes is color. And back in 2015, there was quite the controversy about this dress. And it's because sometimes people see colors, well, a little bit differently. The controversy was whether this dress was black and blue or white and gold. So again, those are examples of qualitative descriptions. Now, if I were to say, in contrast, if I were to say that that box is 100 pounds, or if I were to say it is 20 degrees Fahrenheit outside, well, as soon as you attach a number and a unit to your description, that is now considered quantitative. So quantitative sounds a lot like the word quantity, and a quantity must contain, well, again, a number. So if I were going to describe the dress, I might have to have a numerical value, such as a wavelength, to actually describe that, say, color. Other examples of quantitative descriptions are things like mass, volume, density. So density is the mass per volume. Other dimensions, length, width, and height. Of course, temperature can be a quantitative if you attach a number and a unit to it. Things like sound. Sound can be quantitative. I know a lot of times people say things like, wow, that was really, really loud. Well, the word loud is qualitative. And if I were to say that was 140 decibels, well, I've attached a number and I've attached a unit to that description. And 140 decibels is actually where you start to have damage to one's hearing.